For the hardware that I'm demoing right now, this is my own design development board. I call it DR100W. It is a control module driven by an 8051 40-pins microcontroller. It comes with different hardware interface into the microcontroller necessary for the human-machine interface as conceived for the application, which is to use in DIY power amplifier build front panel. In episode 5, we simulated the program where there were 4 devices connected into the 8051 MCU: the LCD, the 20x4 LCD, the LED, the pause button, and the relay. And we make a simple displaying by saying it's in the standby mode, simulation the non-active or rest mode of the amplifier, and also the active mode where the amplifier is actually playing music while the LED is blinking and the relay is turned on. In episode 6, I am now going to demonstrate that program in the real-world response, real-world execution, and performance. And here you go. 3, 2, 1. This is my live demo. Let's go back into my working table and let's see my demo. This is the real hardware I'm talking about, and this part here is the DR100W Control Module. I got my keyboard in here. This is the one connected to P3.7, the power and off key, and these are 4 buttons in here. They do not have function right now. And this is the LED, and this is the relay, and I'm using my voltmeter in the continuity tester to check the continuity of the relay. So let me put the USB on my PC. That's it, and it's starting to power on the LCD, and it says 8051 programming standby mode by yours truly. And I'm going to press the power and off key right now, and you can see the continuity on the volt ohm meter, and also the relay will be activated. So let's do that in 3, 2, 1. And there you are. The meter is beeping. That means to say that the relay have the continuity, and the LCD says it's in the active mode. Something is not right here because the LED is not working. It should be flashing for some reason, I don't know. Let's see that, and let's see the reason why the LED is not working. Okay, so it was a mistake that I did not plug in, so let's plug in, and let's repeat the test. That is the problem with real hardware. Sometimes you forget to plug in. So take 2 for the second test. 3, 2, 1. And there you are. You can see now that the LED is flashing at a rate of 500 milliseconds. Let's check that idea that my demo board is working because it is connected to the computer via this USB wire in here. So what I'm going to do is to use a power bank, this power bank in here. So I remove the USB now, and I put the power into the power bank, and I'm going to open it. Where's the open? There you are. And it's powering on, and my demo board is powered on also, and we got like 8 milliamperes current being drawn from this power bank by the demo board. And let's power it on right now. I mean, let's go into the active mode, and 3, 2, 1. There you are, and let's see the power consumption being drawn from the power bank. That is 200, let's just say 230 milliamperes. Let's try to do something by blinking the LED as a very short blink. So let's modify the program, and let's download it, and let's see the performance when in the standby mode makes the LED blink. I modified the program. I inserted some code like power on and power off the LEDs with some delays, and I can able to blink now the LED in the standby mode. So that's the LED, and it's blinking. Well, blinking once, and I can do also blinking twice. Let's do that, but let me just power on first, go to the active mode, and the LEDs blinks as normal, 500 millisecond rate, and going back into the standby mode, press that again, and there you are, the LED blinks once. Right, here you go guys. I updated the MMI, so I changed the message in the standby mode, but I keep the standby mode in here, and the display on the LCD now changed to my 10 kilowatt amplifier, and this is for the love of my life. Well, looks like really in love, and the LED now is blink twice. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it does blink twice, as I can see it with my naked eyes. And let's see, power it on, and there you go. Yes, it does working. Sorry, my camera is not fully. Let me adjust it to see the relay, and there you are. Sorry for that. So the relay is actually activated same as before, and now I can able to blink the active mode, so that's more conveying a better information to the user by blinking something on the LCD, which is the active mode. And wow, what is this? I put it, my heart belong to you, and if I'm going to power it off, it says bye baby, love you always. It's looks like it's really fell in love. So this is now the standby mode right now. Going back to the standby mode, and LED blink twice, power it on, and go to the active mode. I failed to mention about the third row, which says fan off and volume to minus 23 dB. So some kind of a MMI like that. By the way, again, MMI is man-machine interface to let your amplifier to convey more information to the user. So if he will going to see that something like a fan off, that means that the fan is off, and the current volume level right now is minus 23 dB. Let me power it off right now. It's a little bit annoying on the continuous. Maybe I can remove the, yes, so I'll remove the clip, this clip over here, so it stops screaming. I mean, the voltmeter stops screaming, and trying to test it by power it on, power it off, and there you are. Bye bye baby, I love you always. Power it on again, and you will always get the right execution on the real words. So this is my simple demo right now with my setup here at my working room.